Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial on how to make stunning fabric wall art, it's a simple and affordable way to add a touch of style to your home. So let's get started. First, gather your materials. You will need a canvas, fabric of your choice, scissors, a staple gun, and a pencil. Lay your fabric flat and place the canvas on top. Make sure the fabric extends beyond the edges of the canvas. Use a pencil to mark the fabric where it aligns with the edges of the canvas. This will serve as your guide for cutting. Carefully cut along the marked line. Be sure to cut straight to ensure a neat finish. Now it's time to attach the fabric to the canvas. Start by folding over one edge of the fabric and secure it to the back of the canvas using the staple gun or glue gun. Repeat this process for the remaining three sided and pulling the fabric taut as you staple. Once all sides are secure, trim any excess fabric if needed. To add a finished touch, you may choose to embellish your fabric wall art. This could be with buttons, bead, or even embroidery. Get creative and make it uniquely yours. And just like that, you have created your very own stunning fabric wall art. Remember, you can mix and match fabrics and canvas sizes to suit your style and space. And thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more DIY inspirations. Happy crafting.